In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Squarespace. If you have an online store with Squarespace, you'll want to make sure your sales tax settings align with your business needs. Let's go through the steps to set up tax on your Squarespace site. To start off, open your Squarespace homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see a control panel on the side of your screen. Navigate to this panel and click on Settings. The Settings area is where you can adjust various aspects of your website, including tax options. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll want to select Selling. This option deals with everything related to commerce on your website, from managing products to configuring taxes. Now that you're in the Selling section, locate the Taxes option and click on it. This is your dedicated area for handling tax-related configurations. Here, you'll see an option to enable manual tax calculations by clicking the Manual checkbox. Selecting Manual Tax Setup gives you greater flexibility to specify tax rates that suit different regions and requirements. Feel free to click Continue to move forward from here. Next, you'll want to add a tax rate. To do so, click on Add Rate. This action will bring up options for which locations you want to apply taxes. For this example, let's specify the country. Click to select a country and then choose the one where you sell products. After picking your country, click Next to proceed to the next set of fields. In this new section, you'll need to define the details of your tax rate. Type in a name for the tax, such as VAT or sales tax, based on what you're setting up. Following that, enter the specific tax rate. This is typically a percentage value that represents the tax you need to charge, like sorry. Once you've set the basics, there are a couple more options to consider. You will see switches labeled Charge Taxes on Services and Digital Products and Charge Taxes on Shipping. By turning these on, you ensure that not only physical goods but also services, digital products, and shipping costs will have taxes applied. It's a helpful tick in ensuring comprehensive tax coverage on all transactions. Finally, after going through and setting everything to your liking, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click Save, and your tax settings will now be in effect. With this setup, your Squarespace store will be better equipped to handle taxes for transactions, making it seamless for you and your customers.